Hi guys, welcome back. Well, guess what? It's been raining non-stop for 2 days here, and I am now in the mood for some nice, delicious butter cookies. Nothing better than smelling the nice aroma of baked cookies in your own kitchen. I am going to now show you the ingredients and the steps that you need to make those butter cookies. Let's bake together. To make the butter cookies, I am using 100 grams of unsalted butter, 50 grams of powdered sugar, 1 egg, about 140 grams of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now I am making a chocolate ganache for my cookies, but that's totally up to you. You can have your cookies without it, but if you want to make it, I am using here about 50 grams of semi-sweetened chocolate chips, and to that I will be adding about 25 grams of whipping cream. So I'm going to start by creaming the butter. You have to make sure that all your ingredients are at room temperature before using them. So in goes the butter. So just making sure that the butter is softened. Then you are going to start whisking this. I am now going to add the powdered sugar. And continue whisking these together. I've combined the sugar and the butter. I am going to add the egg and about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Whisk everything together. To make sure that all your ingredients are well combined. Now I am going to add the flour, and just mix everything with a spatula. So my mixture is ready. I am now going to put this in a piping bag. I have taken my piping bag and put this in a glass so I can put my dough in easily. Just take small amounts and just put it in. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees to be baking the cookies for about 14 minutes. So I have taken here my baking tray, and to this I am going to place a piece of parchment paper. Just so it sticks. And now I am just going to make the cookies. So my cookies are shaped, and I am now going to bake them for 14 minutes. So my cookies are baked now. I am going to make my chocolate ganache so I can stick them together. For the chocolate ganache, I am taking the chocolate chips. I am going to microwave this for about 30 seconds. Now with that it has started to soften, I am going to add the whipping cream and microwave it again for another minute or so. So with a spoon now you're just going to mix these until they are well combined. I am going to pour my chocolate ganache in a Ziploc bag. It's really smooth and silky now. So my cookies have cooled down completely, and the chocolate ganache is now in the Ziploc bag. I'm just going to cut the tip of the Ziploc bag here. So like this. Place this on top. Well, my cookies are done. I'm going to give this a taste now. These are so delicious. I mean, it only requires a few ingredients. It's easy to make. You can make this in no time in your home and just enjoy the goodness of it. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I shall see you in my next video. What? Is it on?